Hello friends, due to some personal reasons I was not able to give the video of this week. So this is the video of this week which I am going to give you. So the first stock that I am going to share with you is Ambuja Cement. Now if you see, Ambuja Cement has trying to cross this first resistance, second resistance, and here we have a breakout. So one can add a little bit of quantity at this current level. Other resistance which Ambuja Cement can face is this particular level of 252.65. So one can book some profit at 252.65 and wait for the stock to come back here again. Buy it around 244 with a small stop loss of 240 and wait for the stock to break this 252 and hold it for a good time investment, because the stock can go up to 270 and the last target of it will be around 280 levels. So one can enter right now here and just have a 240 stop loss and keep holding it as of now, or they can do a little bit of trading of buying here, exiting at around 252 and again buying near 245 and waiting for a breakout over here, and the stock may again little bit come down, but nothing to worry. It's a wonderful breakout on a daily time frame. And if you see, the same stock is giving a weekly breakout. So the stock can go up to sorry for that. The stock can then later on zoom to our higher targets. So Ambuja Cement is a good buy. Please have a watch on this stock. The other stock that I have in mind is LIC Housing, because if you see, LIC Housing has been slowly consolidating and making higher lows. Let me change that color to yellow. So if you see, we have a low again taking a support, which making it a higher low, which is that means the current low is higher than the previous low. Again the higher low, because this is higher than the previous low. Again it's taking support where the low is higher than the previous low. So this stock is trying to give some strength, and the targets what I'm expecting is approximate around, ultimate target is of 400 and immediate target will be around 353 rupees. The daily, which it is facing a resistance, which is from this engulfing candle. If you see, there's a beautiful volume which has been created here on this bar, which helped the stock to gain some strength. After that, the fall is sharp, but the volumes have not helped. Now the volume is very low when the stock is going down, and again this stock has gone up with the help of this beautiful volume. So that means the stock selling interest is very less and buying interest is very high. So buy when the break of this particular high is broken off around 323.30. so you can buy it around 324, 325. And for the first target from here would be 353. After that the stock would consolidate a bit. A small consolidation is expected, and then the stock would zoom to 400 levels. So this is the second stock that I had in mind, and the third stock is JSW Steel. Now if you see, JSW Steel is also the same way, where we had resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, multiple resistance has been tested on weekly time frame. And if on daily time frame, if you see, the stock gain interest is much high. Let me just change into black for you all guys. Yeah, and it's taking a support out here. So I'm assuming this stock to break out of this level of 297.45. After this breakout, the targets of this stock can be of this levels of 354. So this is again a very good investment stock. So this can again zoom out, then again can test this levels of 297 and zoom to 354. Stop loss can be kept of 278. So guys, these are the three stocks that I haven't in mind: Ambuja Cement, LIC Housing, and JSW Steel. So guys, keep a watch on these three stocks and let's hope for the best. Thank you for this week, and I'll come with the new three stocks in the coming week. Thank you.